This White House announcement just changed the automotive industry.
In one of the biggest automotive news of the season, President Donald Trump announced he's rolling back CAFE standards. With multiple executives standing behind him, he announced that he's making big changes. One of them is a plan to cancel or weaken tailpipe emissions rules and remove penalties for automakers who don't meet previous standards, meaning there's much less regulatory pressure to build efficient or low emissions vehicles. Officials, including the heads of major automakers, framed Rollback as resetting standards to levels achievable with conventional gasoline and diesel vehicles, arguing that prior rules effectively mandated electric vehicles and raised prices. Also under the new proposal, required fleet average fuel efficiency for new vehicles by 2031 would drop from about 50.4 miles per gallon to roughly 34.5 miles per gallon. One of the major announcements from yesterday's press conference was the building of smaller vehicles again. Apparently, smaller vehicles weren't being built due to heavy regulations. President Trump mentioned examples from Korea and Japan, most likely Kei trucks. The Trump administration says they hope the rollbacks make new cars more affordable for American families by lowering regulatory burdens and manufacturing costs. They say it's also to support the domestic auto industry and preserve consumers' choice, especially for buyers who prefer conventional gasoline-powered vehicles over EVs or hybrids. They claim the previous standards created an effective EV mandate that many consumers did not want, arguing that this reset restores market freedom. I can see why this administration made this announcement. 5 years ago, the average price for a new car was $37,000. Today, it's $50,000. That's a lot of dough for struggling families. On top of that, look at all the vehicles being pumped out these days. Heavy regulations led to the development of turbo gas engines. Everyone knows they aren't as reliable as their naturally aspirated counterparts. Then you have complicated hybrid systems, combined with turbo gas engines. On top of that, with the high price of the vehicles and higher maintenance costs, it's too much for the American family to afford. These proposals open up a new door to affordable vehicles. Can you imagine $20,000 American Kei trucks? I can. What do you guys think? Is this a good idea? A bad idea? How do you feel about it? If you like this video, please like and subscribe.